The smartphone, as you know, it is dead. For the last decade, we've been living in an era of incremental updates. A slightly better camera here, a slightly faster chip there, a new color to make you feel like you bought something fresh. But something shifted deep inside the labs at Apple Park. They realized that the S-years and the minor refreshes weren't enough anymore. The world is moving toward a post-smartphone era, and the device I'm holding, the rumors I'm about to show you, represents the single biggest leap in mobile technology since Steve Jobs stood on a stage in 2007. This is the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We aren't just talking about a new phone. We are talking about the singularity. A point where the hardware becomes invisible and the artificial intelligence becomes indistinguishable from human thought. If you think you've seen it all with the 15, 16, or 17 Pro Max, you are in for a massive shock. Apple is preparing to release a device that doesn't just compete with other phones. It competes with your laptop, your professional DSLR camera, and your own personal assistant. By the end of this deep dive, you'll understand why the supply chain in Taiwan is in a frenzy and why Samsung is reportedly panicking behind closed doors. This is everything we know about the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Let's start with the literal heart of this machine, the A18 Pro Bionic. But forget the names. Names are marketing. Let's talk about silicon. For the first time, Apple is moving to a true 2-nanometer fabrication process. This isn't just a smaller chip. It's a paradigm shift in how electricity moves through a circuit. In the tech world, 2-nanometer is the holy grail. It allows Apple to cram billions more transistors into a space the size of a fingernail. What does that mean for you? It means the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just fast, it's instantaneous. Imagine opening a 4K video project in Final Cut Pro and rendering it in real time while you're simultaneously running a high-end AAA game like Resident Evil or Cyberpunk in the background. No heat, no lag, no throttling. This chip is designed to run Apple Intelligence 3.0, an AI so advanced it doesn't just predict what you're going to type, it predicts what you're going to do. But a chip is just a brain. A brain needs a window. For years, we've been staring at the same OLED panels. They're great, sure, but they have limits. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to debut the pole-less OLED technology. This removes a layer of the screen, making it thinner, significantly brighter, and, most importantly, drastically more power efficient. We are talking about a peak brightness of 4,000 nits. You could be standing in the middle of the Sahara Desert at high noon, and this screen would look as clear as if you were in a dark room. And then there's the refresh rate. Apple is finally pushing beyond the standard 120 Hz. We are hearing whispers of a variable promotion that can jump to 144 Hz for gaming and drop down to 0.1 Hz for an always-on display that consumes almost zero battery. It's the kind of screen that makes you feel like the icons are floating on top of the glass, rather than sitting behind it. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The camera. For the last few years, the camera bump has been getting bigger and bigger. On the iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple is changing the game with a submerged lens system. Instead of sticking out like a sore